How are you? Are you all excited for a new lesson? So today we are going to learn about pronoun we. So we is a subject pronoun which is used in place of first person plural. Why plural? Because pronoun we is used to talk collectively about two or many people. Now what is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is a pronoun which performs the action in the sentence. For example, we are laughing. So in this sentence, pronoun we is performing the action. Therefore, it is a subject pronoun. So why don't we see some examples and make the concept of pronoun we clear? So Rudy, our first example of pronoun we is we are good friends. So when I have to talk about myself, I use the pronoun I. But collectively, if I have to talk about myself as well as other people, for example you, then I will use the pronoun we.
I understood.
So Rudy, read the second example.
We talk a lot.
Correct. So again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun we because we are talking about more than one person in the subject position.
I understood.
So Rudy, our last example is we play together. So which is the pronoun in this sentence?
We.
Why?
Because we're not talking about one person. We're talking more than one person.
Correct. In subject position or object position?
Subject position.
Singular or plural?
Plural.
That's right. So, I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun we. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.